everybody, it's me, Tiny Tim, and I'm 3 nearly 6, and I've got something amazing to show you. I'm properly excited about it. Watch this.
Your phone's ringing, stupid. Your phone's ringing, stupid.
Oh my God, I've got my own ringtones, and then I don't even know what my Uncle Barry's ringing me for. He's not even my real dad. Stupid, isn't it?
Hello, can you not hear that? You've got a text message.
And I've got my own text messages as well. And Uncle Barry's just asked if my mum's up. Of course she isn't. She's a lazy pig. You can get them on going on iTunes and putting in Tiny Tim and search it. And you can download them from there. It's amazing. I hope you have as much fun as I did making them. Okay? Are you